Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a great day. In this video, I did redo a 3-piece set, 2 end tables and a coffee table for a friend. In a minute, I'm going to show you the paint color, but it is flat black, and I scuffed the edges to give it some character. And I think they came out really chic. They also did take 2 coats of paint, so not bad at all. This is the paint color that I chose. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these videos, if you want different content. Either way, I hope you have a great day.
Subscribe, like, and share.